Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Tag Manager for AdSense on web pages step by step clearly. First, open your Google Tag Manager account in your web browser. Navigate to the container that you want to manage. In the left sidebar, click on Tags. Locate the tag associated with Google AdSense. Click on the tag to open its settings. Look for the option labeled Triggering. Click on the trigger associated with the Google AdSense tag. In the trigger settings, you may see conditions that dictate when the tag fires. To disable the tag from firing, consider changing the trigger type to page view. Alternatively, you can remove the existing trigger by clicking on the trash can icon. Confirm the deletion by clicking on Remove in the prompt. If you want to keep the trigger but prevent specific pages from running AdSense, you can modify the trigger settings. Add a condition that excludes the pages where you do not want. Save the changes to the tag by clicking the Save button at the top right. Return to the main workspace and click on Submit. In the submission dialog, you can add a version description if desired. Click on Publish to apply your changes. Now the Google Tag Manager will no longer fire AdSense on the specified web pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.